It's flying debris. That is Latin for debris. That is not true. Also. So that it's fly, be cool, like an anime. Fly, be cool, like an anime. Why isn't it? Wait. It's still really windy. I hate this dude. Oh, here we go. You see it?